Hey guys, Jai and welcome to Vani Academy जिसका कि मोटो है फॉर एक्सेलेंस। वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो ऑफ प्रीलिम्स फैक्ट्स। थर्ड पार्ट के अंदर आपका स्वागत है और दिसंबर 2020 के करंट अफेयर्स हम कर रहे हैं पार्ट थर्ड। अभी तक हमने 2 पार्ट कर लिए हैं और बाकी मंथ्स के भी हमने करंट अफेयर्स कर लिए हैं और आई होप कि आप लोगों ने वो सेशंस देख लिए होंगे। 31st टॉपिक से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। व्हाट इज सबमरीन डे सेलिब्रेटिंग द मेमोरी ऑफ INS कलवरी celebrated on December 8th. It was on December 8th that the Indian Navy ensign was unfurled on INS Kalvari, the first submarine to be inducted in Indian Navy at Riga in Latvia, the erstwhile USSR in 1967. मलयालम के अंदर इस नेम का मीनिंग है टाइगर शार्क, अ प्रेडेटर ऑफ इन द इंडियन ओशन. The Kalvari was decommissioned in 1996 after 29 years of service. 32nd cattle buffalo meat residue found in Indus Valley vessels. A new study has found the presence of animal products including cattle and buffalo meat in ceramic vessels dating back to 4600 years at 7 Indus Valley civilization sites in present day Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. की फाइंडिंग्स के अंदर अबाउट 50 to 60% ऑफ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल बोन्स फाउंड एट इंडस वैली साइट्स कम फ्रॉम कैटल और बुफेलो. द हाई proportion of cattle bones may suggest a cultural preference for beef consumption across Indus population, supplemented by the consumption of mutton, lamb. Lipid residues in Indus pottery show a dominance of animal products in vessels such as meat of नॉन रमिनेंट एनिमल्स लाइक पिग्स. नॉन रमिनेंट होते हैं जो जैसे कि काओ होती है वो रमिनेंट एनिमल है. नॉन रमिनेंट लाइक पिग्स. रमिनेंट एनिमल्स लाइक कैटल और बुफेलो एंड शीप और गोट एज वेल एज डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स. 33rd टॉपिक जो है जगनना जीव क्रांति स्कीम आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया है. अंडर द 2.49 लाख शीप एंड गोट्स विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू वुमेन in phased manner at a cost of 1869 crore. The scheme will help improve the living standards of women with less investment. 34th topic जो है HelpAge India presented UN Population Award for 2020. HelpAge India has been presented the UN Population Award for 2020. For the first time in the history, the UN Population Award, the honor is being conferred on Indian institution. ऑन एन इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूशन पे पहली बार इन्हें इसे मिला है. द लास्ट टाइम द अवार्ड केम टू एन इंडियन वाज 28 साल पहले की बात है 1992 के अंदर व्हेन इट वाज अवार्डेड टू मिस्टर JRD टाटा एज एन इंडिविजुअल लॉरिएट. HelpAge India has been working for the cause and care of the disadvantaged older persons to improve their quality of life for over 4 decades. 40 साल से लगभग. After the award established by about the award sorry Established by United Nations General Assembly in 1981, the United Nations Population Award recognizes the contribution in the fields of population and reproductive health. 35th topic की अगर हम बात करें, Better Than Cash Alliance, it is a partnership of governments, companies and international organizations that accelerates the transition from cash to digital payments in border to reduce poverty and drive inclusive growth and to advance the sustainable development goals. United Nations Capital Development Fund serve as the secretariat. India became a member of the Better Than Cash Alliance in 2015. Hanukkah Jewish festival है commemorating the rededication of the second temple in Jerusalem at the time of Maccabean revolt against the Seleucid Empire. It is also known as the Festival of Lights. 37 topic Ischiamum genrathanami. It is a novel species of Murray grass identified by scientists in the plateaus of Western Ghats of Goa. The species was named this and this honor of प्रोफेसर एम के. आपने सोचा होगा कि सर इतना लंबा नाम. देखिए आपको इस तरह से डिटेल के अंदर तो नहीं आएगा, लेकिन आपको हो सकता है कि ये वाला नाम आपको पूछ लिया जाए. तो ये आपको बताना होगा किस चीज़ के साथ रिलेटेड है. ऑप्शन आपको प्रोवाइड कर दिए जाएंगे प्रीलिम्स के अंदर. इस तरह से ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. और प्रोफेसर MK जनाथनम, प्रोफेसर ऑफ बॉटनी, गोवा यूनिवर्सिटी. इट ग्रोज ऑन लो लैटिट्यूड लेटेरेटिक प्लेट्यूज इन द आउटस्कर्ट्स ऑफ भगवान महावीर नेशनल पार्क, गोवा के अंदर जो है. The vegetation is exposed to extreme climate conditions like desiccation in drier months and soils with low nutrient availability. However, withstanding these, the species had adapted to survive harsh conditions and blossom every monsoon. बैकग्राउंड इसकी अगर हम देखें तो मुरे ग्रासेस जो है आर नॉन फॉर द इकोलॉजिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस सच एज fodder. Globally, 85 species are known for Ishachium, of which 61 species are exclusively found in India. The Western Ghats have 40 species with the highest concentration of the genes. कोलीवर ब्रिज जो है कंस्ट्रक्टेड ओवर सोन रिवर इन बिहार इनैगोरेट किया गया उससे 1.5 किलोमीटर का ब्रिज है कोलीवर ब्रिज सोन रिवर बिहार के अंदर कोलीवर ब्रिज 39 जो टॉपिक है दैट इज वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट बेस्ड नैरो बैंड LOT network in India. BSNL in partnership with Skylo to introduce a world's first satellite based narrow band LOT network in India. This new made in India solution, which is indigenously developed by Skylo, will connect with BSNL's satellite ground infrastructure and provide pan India coverage, including the Indian seas. The coverage will be so vast that it will not leave any dark patch within the boundary of India, from Kashmir and Ladakh to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to northeast, including the Indian seas. 40th topic की अगर हम बात करें, what is WHO pre qualification project? ये 2001 के अंदर सेटअप हुआ इसका. is a service provided by the WHO to facilitate access to medicines that meet unified standards of quality, safety and efficacy for HIV, AIDS, malaria and tuberculosis. The pre-qualification process consists of transparent, scientifically sound assessment, which includes dossier review, consistency testing और performance evaluation and site visit to the manufacturers. किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट के अंदर ये न्यूज़ था? सिंगल डोज इंजेक्टेबल टाइफाइड conjugate vaccine of biological E has been pre-qualified by the WHO, making the vaccine maker one of the two pre-qualified suppliers of TCV to the UN agencies. 41st टॉपिक अगर बात करें तो महाराष्ट्र to give film sector industry status. Maharashtra government has moved to sanction industry status to the film and entertainment sector. The term industry status has not actually been specifically defined in any legislation in India. Conferring industry status basically entails an inclusion in the state and central industrial policy. Immediate benefit क्या होंगे इसके? Getting loans will be less trouble at the lower interest rates, enabling large investors to be financing partners, the attracting equity investment in the sector. Fourth है enabling developers to finance their existing debts. यहाँ पे इसे डेट बोला जाता है, डेप्ट नहीं होता, ये डेट बोला जाता है. 42nd टॉपिक रूल्स नोटिफाइड टू सर्व वारंट्स इन मालदीव्स. The Ministry of Home Affairs had notified rules for Indian courts to send summons on search warrants to accused person in Maldives and wanted in India as per an agreement signed between the two countries. 42nd जो टॉपिक है रूल्स नोटिफाइड टू सर्व वारंट्स इन मालदीव्स. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर हैव नोटिफाइड, ये सेम टॉपिक है सॉरी. अब 42nd टॉपिक जो हमने यहाँ पे भी डिस्कस किया. 43rd जो है महाशरद टू बी लॉन्च्ड बाय महाराष्ट्र सोशल जस्टिस डिपार्टमेंट. एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है विच विल प्रोवाइड फॉर फ्री द टूल्स रिक्वायर्ड बाय द डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पीपल. महाशरद स्टैंड्स फॉर महाराष्ट्र सिस्टम ऑफ हेल्थ रिहेबिलिटेशन एंड असिस्टेंस फॉर दिव्यांग. 44th जो टॉपिक है दैट इज नेशनल फैमिली हेल्थ सर्विस फॉर 2019-20. असम रेटिंग्स रिलेटेड की फाइंडिंग. सेक्स रेशियो जो असम के अंदर है इज नाउ skewed in favor of females. These were 1012 females born during the 2019-2020 per 1000 males. The sex ratio is in 15-16 was 993 females per 1000 males, but compared to the last survey, more women and men were found to have tied the knot before reaching the permissible age. 31.8% of women who were surveyed said they married before they turned 18. The percentage of such women in 2015-16 was 30.8. The total fertility rate, however, dipped from 2.2 children per woman in National Family Health Service 4 to 1.9 in the latest survey. The female fertilization also dropped from 9.5 to 9% between the two surveys, while male sterilization remained constant at 0.1%. The survey found more children aged 6 to 59 months were anemic or with low hemoglobin content than 5 years. Uh, Myristica swag tree frog, rare arboreal species endemic to the Western Ghats. They are active only for few weeks during the breeding season. Before the end of the breeding season, the female frogs, along with the male counterpart, descends on the forest floor. The female digs the bud and lays eggs in shallow burrows in mud. After breeding and egg laying, they retreat back to the high canopies of the tree and remain elusive till next breeding season. किस कंटेक्स्ट के अंदर ये न्यूज़ में था? इट हैज़ बीन रिकॉर्डेड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम नॉर्थ ऑफ the Shanutta Gap and the Vanchahal Vazachal Reserve Forest in Kerala's Thrissur district. 46 टॉपिक काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, ये एक टाइगर रिजर्व भी है. Can now be explored by the boats. Water bicycle tracks are also being finalized. One can go trekking too, but the new activities are beyond the 1302 square kilometer Kazirang's soil core area of 482 square kilometer. Key facts इसके हैं: it is a normal national park in Assam. It formed 1908 in the recommendation of Mary Curzon. The park is located at the edge of Himalayan biodiversity hotspots Golaghat and Naigaon districts. It hosts two-thirds of the world's greatest one-honored rhinoceroses. It is a World Heritage Site. It is also recognized as an important bird area by BirdLife International for the conservation of avifaunal species. Much of the focus of conservation efforts in Kaziranga are focused on the big four species: rhino, elephant, Bengal tiger, and Asiatic water buffalo. Kaziranga is crisscrossed by four main rivers: Brahmaputra, Diflu, Mora Diflu, and Mora Dansiri. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस सेशन. अपकमिंग वीडियोस के लिए आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और नोटिफिकेशंस जो है उसे प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आपको आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन जो है मिलता रहे.